Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Welcome back to Precious Lifestyle. In today's video guys, I'm pranking my friends and my sister-in-law. So if it's your first time coming across this beautiful face, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you are my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support me. I love you guys. And please guys, support me guys. Let's get to 1K together. I'm almost there guys. Please support me. Okay guys, without further ado guys, let's jump enter in the video. Hello, Star.
Hello, mommy.
Star, good evening.
Hello.
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 We dey fine. Star, I want to talk to you. I beg. I don't know if you dey busy.
Okay.
I beg go. I know one my sister here. Let me I call you.
Okay.
Sister, I don't dey pass through some things for a while now, but I just decide to quiet based on I just still new enter this place. May not come be like say I can still dey complain, but I still see the way you with her still take close. I can still say I feel see confide in you, I feel see trust you to tell you anything.
Yeah.
Sister, I want go back to my city because before I come here, you know tell me say na so you want to they do me, you know, like the way it the heart, the character, everything they worse as they break.
Auntie Precious.
Understand?
As me, I don't still grow a little bit, I will still give him a little bit of advice. One. What I will just tell you, you are a bit TV himself. Love you, let that one alone. Woman, let it build the home. You understand? As far as say the man love you, that man not the shit on you. You know, say men get their own differences. You know, say men, if you come out and say they go that side, you know, solve the issue we say you get for house.
Yes.
You know, will solve anything like nothing will solve. So I want beg you, 100%. You as a woman, and you're supposed to build your own home. Nobody will come build for you. You understand me? As far as me, I know, say my brother 100%. He loves you. No man, now this one on life 30. No man, we say if you're boyfriend and girlfriend, they different. See, because now they're tough now. Even before distance things.
Sister, that prank. He talk as say you're for put. He say, Mama, he say you was for put. You was. Oh God. Okay, guys, I got her, guys. So we are just going to head over to the next person. So I'm calling my friend. So let's hear what she's going to say. Alpha. Alpha. I just said no. Tracy, I want to tell you something. No, I beg. This thing I want to tell you, so not tell anybody. You are beg. Yeah, now because I trust you now, I make I see me. I call you based on. I don't look around. I say, and I let you have to say. We know you're good though, my sister. I want for more go back to my city. Like I don't tire. I want for more go back to my city because every day seeing each other, I be like, it don't tire me.
Now you know say I can tell you that time. So if you tell with man, even if because me I see your husband like that's what you say no, and the way not they talk. That's way calm, she understand. Now you want to body too much. Your temper too much. I know say I never hear from you. I don't know what it to do or I don't know what it happen. But me I don't have to tell you that truth. Your temper is too much. Sure, you understand?
I understand, my sister, but I don't tire. That's just it. I don't tire. I want to go back to my city. Maybe if once in a while we feel still they come the greet and but I want to go back.
I want to contact you. It's too late now.
My sister now, Frankie. And she got best for Africa. She don't have best everything. I got her, guys. I told you guys that she's definitely going to fall into this prank. Like, I believe she's going to fall for it because I won't complain the agency to her. So she believed maybe if anything is wrong, I could run to her because we have been friends for God knows how long now. So, yeah, we got her. So, bye bye, my sister.
Hello.
How far? You did fine. You did enjoy.
Come join me, enjoy.
Don't be small.
I thought say she did fine.
We did fine. Right? Nice star. I bet give the where you did.
No, she's not there.
Yeah. I bet go, Frances. I want to come back to Nim.
You want to come back to Nim?
Yes, and at the time we are first stay for a while. I beg go, I don't know if I feel on your side because I got tired for you.
I know you won't carry a Dorothy. You know, say for here, if you stay for weekend, the office stay down. Monday to Friday, they always day. And if maybe not just you now, we will feel the tidying and no noise, but the day where Dorothy will cry now, they go here. And no about that one, to stay here, not a problem. But for weekend, here we feel do anything. We feel do anything, but just on our day, they're the day office, and their office take down with day up. I don't know.
Oh my god. I don't tire for this place. I don't know.
You know, they ask for association for that side.
How stay? Now how say I did for you now, boss? I just want to come my star. I just want for months. I don't want to stay this city again. I want for months. I want to come back to my city. I don't tire.
I don't even want to take I said, I say too ready. That pass my head. You can't come out now. You don't have to see this. It's not be better pass.
Master, I don't tire. I just want for months. I don't know if when the office let me stay at house for a while.
No, if you say we go ask for house, everything's supposed to go because if you want to stay on one fair now, if you come up with you come on one fair, you tell us you get picking, not get us. Here they go fair give you the way you are picking for the stay. But maybe morning to evening, they go break. They go say you come on. If you don't stay when they ask, because I'm still pulling for there for yeah, they're not they doing like that. Now when do you for fit call you? I don't think she go fit.
Nah, prank! Ah!
You know your way. Maybe they crack my head. Then because of say, me they thought say, I see your mom got stay. I like some parts, so then you want to stay the trip picking go out.
Yeah, she don't they talk everything like I got good friends. She don't they tell me you stay here, don't worry, your friend house here, you come here. You go here, your friend come here, your friend stay here. Back to Nim.
You don't tell your husband you want to come back to me.
I never tell him, but I just feel like when I come out.
You never tell her you want to come out.
Why would they call you self so that you help me find where I fed the first for a while?
I don't remember where you fed them for a while when you never tell your husband that say that your husband will carry food coming out there. See, my woman, the mother said we want to compare solution. This is not to be okay. Out the year. But the enter my ear, not be you never tell them when you want to come out. You get sense?
Esther, I beg, I don't tire for you.
For me, you know, say I never get place for less. Maybe I don't know whether they really come home. I never know what they do you. So me, you know, say 115 for you now that they give us once you come then they'll give you as far as you get picking, they'll give you place. So maybe as you all come to the now reply, maybe you fair find your first thing. Before you reach to the door, they'll give you a 10. Then you read the come home.
Shut up, I know they call. Now prank. Frances don't call you. Man, I see the time you say Frances call you.
No, Frances never come. I say this. No,
don't worry because I think of Frances. So Frances call say make she. Hey.
You fair call me, not my fair call you.
Friend. She has been my friend for long. She's a motherfucker.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. I'll call the next person. Ava.
Good evening.
Good evening. How you sad?
I'm not sure. How you doing? How baby?
And if I be call you for WhatsApp, but you no pick.
Yeah, no.
Princess, I want to tell you something, no, and the thing they urgent.
No problem.
My star, I don't still problem like that, but problem still get small.
Okay, what's it down?
Why they tell you so now? Because I still believe say you still dey close to her. So I make I want say I want for months, eh?
For me now.
Babe, as in my friend character, they change, like just they increase every day, just the worse. Like I don't tire. If you come back from work, person know they get person time, they always dey busy. Like
I think because of that one. No place good to go. Because of that baby for now.
I be just say, may I just go back to my city maybe once in a while. If you still come dey greet and if you still want to, you know still want. That's not there, but I just like I don't tire. So that at least before when distance dey, like if you see me, you go want eat me. But as I come dey here now, things just change.
Because of that picture. Then I will take responsibility of the picking.
Hey, I get good friend. La prank
Princess. You be done a talk with the later here. Now you see me.
She doesn't say back on boss now. She says where they go. I don't know how to be.
Princess, I am the listening. She don't prank everybody. She prank everybody since. Now I say no, you have to prank Princess. Cause I don't say Princess in my party. Princess! You're too good.
For not everything, she said you don't know where you they go.
Instead of you to tell her me she go. Instead of you to say me she go, so that I feel they do video, you can give me side chick.
Guys, I have a good friend.
I listen to all their conversation. She.
Okay guys, that comes to the end of the video. All my friends fall for it, guys, like, but they didn't advise me to leave. They were just saying stay back, you get. So I have a nice friends. They are really nice, they are really cool. They did the best for me. Okay guys, I know you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more prank on my friends, on my family member, if you want me to do more prank, just comment down in the comment section below and I will do whatever you guys want. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, please subscribe because it really takes me far. The subscription really helped me a lot. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, comment. That will make me know you watch my content if you comment. If you want to know where I get this hair from, guys, it's for Susan Collection. Look how the hair fits me, like wow. Susan Collection, guys. I will try and drop her Facebook handle in the description box. I got this hair from Susan Collection, guys. The hair is really nice. But okay, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.